Good day, everyone! So, this is my AI application, which is Instagram, as common uses nowadays. Instagram has shared new details on how its app uses AI and machine learning to surface content for users, stressing out and when making recommendation it focuses on finding accounts it thinks people will enjoy rather than individual posts. What is Instagram? Instagram is an online mobile photo sharing, video sharing, and social networking service that enables its users to take pictures and videos and share them on a variety of social media networking platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and Flickr. Instagram photos confined to a square shape similar to Kodak is thematic and Polaroid image. The name Instagram is a combination of Insta camera and Telegram. The iOS apps was released through the iTunes App Store on October 6, 2010, and the Android app was released on April 3, 2012. The platform's popularity skyrocketed, with the company reporting more than 40 million active users just 2 years after launch. You can take, edit, and publish visual content for both followers and non-followers as long as your account is public. User can interact with the content via likes, comment, share, and save. An app to connect people around the world by publishing each individual check-ins whenever they travel somewhere new. Benefits of Instagram. It's where you guys meet. More young people follow brands on Instagram than any other social network. It's an easy way to create quick content. It gives customer a behind-the-scene look at your business. Challenges of Instagram. Like all social networks, it needs to be updated regularly to be effective. Main function. Users can upload photographs and short videos. Videos are a maximum of 15 seconds long. Photos can have filters added to them as well. Frames can also be added to each photo. Instagram Direct allows users to send photos only specific users instead of publicity. Advantage of Instagrams. Low cost or almost free. The Instagram application is available free of cost in the Play Store. People can log in and make their accounts without paying any amount. Helps in increasing contacts. Instagram is a social networking service provided to stay in contact with your friend and also follow celebrities. Helps in sharing videos, pictures, and information. People generally share their video, features, and various business information. Gets connected with other social media. Other social media like Facebook and Twitter can easily be connected with Instagram. Getting started with Instagram, as long as you create an account, you have already an Instagram account.